It's the weekend, which means it's time to get pretty in the face. Starting off, we want to cleanse our face, so I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Total Cleanser. Okay, that amount should be good. And then wet my face a wee bit. Really want to be beautiful. I really like this cleanser, but I don't know if I like it because it's Rihanna and I'll just buy anything Fenty. But I'm like Riri could sell, look at me calling it Riri, but she could sell rocks and I'd be like, yes, take my money please. Okay, it's a bit dry, so I'll add in a bit more water. I've already just like really rubbed it in, but I always just like the feeling of the paw. Remember to do your neck. I always sometimes forget to do my neck. Let me go rinse my face. Okay, squeaky clean face. I don't like to use a towel on my face, so I just like to let it air dry. But if you like to use a towel, you can use a towel. It's just me. I don't know. I like the cold feeling. We can already get started with the clay mask, so I'll use the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean clay mask, and I'll use this, which I bought this accidentally. I thought it was a brush, but it's not a brush. But anywho, get that up. Like a little bit more. We can do a little bit more. I think I like using this spoolie situation thing because then it doesn't get into my nails. But that's just me. If you're okay with it, then you don't necessarily have to use this. I'm just an only child. Okay, I want to add a little bit more onto my neck. I'm not going to use the back because I don't want to double dip. Just a wee bit. Yeah, that should be enough. For the neck. Wow, that was close. Okay. Oh, no. Not my boobies. Not the boobies, just the neck. And I'll just leave it on to my face to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Man, every time you want to sing in a video, it's like, no, this is on YouTube, you cannot sing. I should have taken off my necklace, but it's fine. Get ready for Halloween. Halloween, yeah. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, the mask is dry, and I think what I really love about this mask, I've mentioned this before, is that it doesn't, I feel like previous clay masks that I've used, when they dry, it like pulls the skin, but this doesn't pull the skin. Like I don't feel like tightness. So I'm gonna quickly just rinse this off. I finished rinsing out my face and I tried to get everything off as much as possible, and my face always just feels so nice after a clay mask. But before I get onto the vitamin C serum, I actually want to use a nose strip just for my nose area, and this is by Nivea. But I first need to wet my nose because it only sticks to a wet nose. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so let's take this off. I don't know if it's gonna hurt or not. Okay, it's definitely become hard. Okay, it doesn't hurt. Oh, wow. This is a bit gross. I don't know if I should... Okay, I'll just show you, but like... all of that's come off. Wow, I want to look at my pores here and just to see it in the mirror properly. So I just started using the La Roche-Posay, the vitamin C serum, about 2 weeks ago, and I mean, this is my skin so far. So I want to see what the difference is going to be once I finish this jar. And for 2 weeks, and I've been using it every single day, this is how much it's gotten to. So perhaps like maybe this would be 2 months. I think maybe this would be a 2-month vial, but I just use it every morning. So I'm gonna take a little bit more. Okay, And something important to remember is that you need to store this in a dark place so it doesn't oxidize. So yeah, just three drops. It does have a scent for the people who don't like scent. So it has like a, I like scent, so I don't mind it, and I have nothing against scents, but I don't know if that's just the smell of vitamin C. I'm not sure. Okay, and then not forgetting the neck. And I like that when it spreads, it just has like a very smooth, it doesn't feel sticky. After the vitamin C serum has dried out, I go in with my moisturizer, and this is from The Ordinary. So this time I'll just put a small pea-sized amount because I want to put shea butter on top so I can do some gua sha. So just rubbing it. So because I'm doing some gua sha, I'm going to be using some, I got this from Uganda. It's some shea butter, and it's just like 100%, it's actually almost over 100% natural shea butter, nothing else is in here. So I'll just take about this amount because I really want my face to be glidey and smooth before I put in the gua sha. And then to know, like if you want to know if like shea butter usually just like melts and almost becomes clear when you put it in your hands. So, but anyway. Okay, so for the gua sha, I've been watching a few tutorials. So what I specifically want to focus on is my smile lines. I think I smile too much, but anyway, and it happens over time. So I think what they really mentioned is you need to first start by the neck, and the good thing about putting oil first is that it just helps it slip. So starting by the neck. Moving over to the cheeks, to the chin area here. We'll use this part. And then over here. And I'm just going up as I go. But then around the eye area, I'm more gentle. And then I just massage here with the pointy bit. Massage here as well. Oh, it actually tickles. Oh, and in here as well. Like you feel like a tickle. Maybe it's just me. So I don't know, I'll try. I don't gua sha every day, but I'll try and gua sha every day and see if that would make any difference with my smile lines. I don't know if it will, but let's just see. But either way, the face massage feels great, so there's no loss here. And now we eat. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.